Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, in this video we will discuss how we find the roots of polynomial equations with the help of our scientific calculator. Mainly we will discuss quadratic equations and cubic equations in this video. So we have a standard quadratic equation on our screen, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a and b are the coefficients of the square term and the x term respectively, and c is basically representing a constant value. We know that we can find the roots of quadratic equations and it depends upon the higher degree. If the higher degree, for example, in quadratic equation the highest degree is 2, so we have two roots of the quadratic equation. And similarly for cube, as the highest degree is 3, so we have 3 roots for the cubic equation. Similarly, we also know that the graph of the quadratic equation is just like a parabolic curve. So this calculator will give us the turning point of the parabolic curve as well, and it also determine and show the nature of the turning points, whether the graph is giving us the maximum value or the minimum value. So let's consider an example. Before going to example, these are some commands that you need to press while inserting any of your polynomial in your calculator. So for your ease, I am considering an example. So this is an quadratic equation, x squared plus 7x minus 28 equal to 0. So I'm just opening my calculator. So in order to insert this quadratic equation, first we need to press the menu button, then scroll down and press equality button on equation and function, then polynomial, press 2. As for the quadratic equation, the highest degree is 2, so press 2 here. Now what we need to do, we need to only insert the coefficient values and constant values in the given equation. So the coefficient value of the square term is 1 here, that is 1x square, and the coefficient value of the x term is 7 here, positive 7, and the constant value is minus 28. So we need to press minus 28 and then equality button. So in this way we can insert our coefficient and constant values in our given polynomial equation. Then equality button again, it gives us the first root x1 value. So you can also analyze your answer in decimal point by pressing S2D button. Now it's showing our answer in decimal form. Similarly, if you again press equality button, it will give you the second root, and if you again press the equality button, it gives you the turning point about x-axis, and if you again press, it gives you the turning point about y-axis as well, and it determines the nature of the turning points, as it's mentioned the minima value is here. Now you can also visualize the graph of the quadratic equation with the help of this model of ClassWiz FX991EX calculator. And for this you need to press shift button and then OPT, an option button. It will give you a QR code and you can scan it with the help of your smartphone, and you can visualize the graph like this, and it gives you the output values on the screen as well. So this is the advanced feature of this model of ClassWiz FX991EX series. Similarly, let's move on to cubic equation. So for cubic equation, the standard form is here: ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus t equal to 0, where a, b and C are representing the coefficients of the variables, and D is representing the constant value. So for cubic equation, let's consider an example: 2x cubed minus 11x minus 20x minus 7 equal to 0. So for better understanding, let me open my calculator. So for this, we need to first cancel out this. Then I need to press menu button, then polynomial. Now in order to solve cubic equation, the highest degree is 3. So press 3 here. Then we need to insert the coefficient value and the constant values of the cubic equation. So the coefficient value of the cubic term is 2. So press 2 and then equality button. Then the coefficient value of the square term is minus 11. Press minus 11 and then equality button. And then the coefficient value of x term is minus 20. And the last constant value is minus 7. Then press the equality button for the roots. It gives us the first root, the second root, and the third root. So in this way you can find up to 4th degree of the polynomial. You can find the roots with the help of your scientific calculator. Hope the entire process is now very clear for all of you. Thank you for watching this.